Vatos, thanks again for tuning into yet another video. Infamous coming at you live from the West Coast yet again. Here we are installing the Speedo. I've relocated this thing a couple times. I've now extended the lines here. These are now 6 inches longer, so that of course connects to the inside of this plastic trim. So this line has been extended by 6 inches. I believe it's 5 wires. If I remember right, it's only 5 wires. It's not that many. So in case you're thinking about doing this, you could do it. I've already been having it out for a while. So I just wanted to show you guys how exactly you install it. So this right here, what you see here, this is actually door trim, door molding. This little black rubber piece here. And the reason why I have that is because this clamp is too big for most of everything here. So I mean, that's pretty much it. It still looks pretty good, as you guys can see. It looks really, it looks clean with that piece on there. And you can see the actual vinyl from the tape. It's 3M tape on the inside. So if you wanted to, you could stick this onto wherever you want to protect. So then yeah, this bracket, if you own a Roadster, you would need to buy this backing plate. So here's the backing plate, and also you need to get the cushion. I already provided those part numbers in the video. I'll do it again and I'll provide the part numbers. So this is an all one piece, pretty solid. I've had it now for a couple hundred miles now and I like it. It's pretty badass. So all the cables are sticking out from the bottom here. As you can see right over here is a little bit of a gap. I was able to fit everything through here, so it looks pretty clean, guys. It's a clean piece. So let's just go ahead and put this on there real quick. We need to get our washers right here and right here, of course. Then we need to get the bolt. This gets a little tricky, of course, trying to balance all this stuff out. Go ahead and grab that in there like so. So we can locate this. There you go. And that's pretty much it, And that's pretty much it. That's the install of the Speedo Relocation. Of course, righty tighty, lefty loosey. I don't have a lot of room here. I could also move this down over here, of course, but I angled the Speedo. If you can see, I angled the Speedo. Instead of having it straight up and down kind of like this, I angled it to the side to kind of give me that angle that I wanted. I wanted to get it a little bit closer to the bike, but I didn't want it to the point where I couldn't see it. Like I said, you can move this out here, you can move it here and keep it a little bit angled, or you can move this on the inside and put it down here. It's up to you guys. There's a lot of different places. Like I said, I had this on my risers. I even I even put it over here for a little bit, but I couldn't see it. I mean, I still can't see it here, only because the digital display, you can't. I was barely able to see it when I had it on my risers, on my handlebars. Now having it down here, I can't see it at all. So that's why I have the DynoJet power vision on my clamps now. It makes it a lot easier, and I'm not breaking the law by speeding. So I believe this piece alone, $24, pretty cheap. The backing plate from Harley-Davidson, that's about 30 bucks. And I think the cushion itself was about $7. So you're looking at about an additional 40 bucks for everything you see here. If you have a Roadster, if you have an Iron, or you have one of those other bikes, you don't have to buy those parts, because I'm pretty sure you have it already. So yeah, that's on there, right? That's not going nowhere. So yeah, that's it. I don't know, you guys go ahead and leave your comments down below. I've been getting a lot of questions about how I mounted this, and that's it. You guys just stay out there, stay safe, don't believe everything you read. Life's a risk, get out there and ride. Later.